These how to 1 minute will show you how to accept credit card payment on Wix website. First of all, open your Wix dashboard and here scroll down to this left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on settings. And here click on accept payments. And here you will get this option, accept credit debit cards with Wix. So to accept credit card payment, you have to click on connect. And here read this text and here I'm selecting no, I do not, accept and continue. And here you can enable Apple Pay, Google Pay, tap to pay on mobile, then click on continue. So this is how we can set up credit card payment on Wix website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.